The Indian company GMR Group, assigned with the construction of the Upper Karnali hydroelectric project, has only recently secured investment more than 10.5 years after the signing of the Project Development Agreement (PDA). According to officials from the investment board, the investment from 5 Nepali banks and the Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency (IREDA) is now confirming for the project.
मार्च 4 गतेसम्म अपर कर्णालीको जुन जीएमआरले एफसी गर्नुपर्ने थियो त्यो 2 गते नै उसले एफसी को डकुमेन्टहरु बुझाएको अवस्था छ। अनि बुझाइसकेपछि हामीले त्यो अहिले एक्सपर्ट टिमलाई दिएका छौं। एक्सपर्ट टिमले त्यसलाई अध्ययन गरिरहेको छ। अध्ययन गरेर उनीहरुले बुझाउने बित्तिकै हामीले बोर्डमा त्यसलाई राख्छौं।
GMR was selected in the Nepali year of 2065 to undertake projects in Acham, Dailekh and Surkhet. The PDA was signed between the investment board and the company on 19th of September 2014 in the presence of the then Prime Minister Sushil Koirala and then Indian Home Minister Rajnath Singh. According to the agreement, GMR was required to complete financial agreements within 2 years. However, the company failed to secure the investment during that period, even as the deadline was repeatedly extended. It was only after the Supreme Court ruled on 7th of May 2023 that the deadline could be extended for the last time. The PDA for Arun 3 was signed in 25th of November 2014 following the Upper Karnali project. The Indian government company Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam has been actively working on the project after securing investment. However, GMR remained firm, believing that the power sale agreement with Bangladesh would attract investment. Pressure mounted on the company after the electricity trade agreement between Bangladesh and Nepal was signed on October 13th.
यति ठूलो रिसोर्सहरु खर्च भइराखेको छ तर यदि समयमै निर्माण हुन सक्थ्यो भने कर्णालीको अर्थतन्त्रको विकासमा त्यसले एउटा टेवा पुर्याउन सक्थ्यो भन्ने लाग्छ।
16 वर्षसम्म पनि आयोजना अगाडि नबढ्दा यहाँको आम नागरिकहरु दुवै प्रदेशको र समग्र निजी क्षेत्र हामी चिन्तित छौं र
भनेको त ठूलो प्रोजेक्ट हो। त्यही प्रोजेक्टमा भयो भने हाम्रो जो विदेशी नपर्ने दाजुभाइहरु त्यही रोजगार पाउनुहुन्थ्यो कि।
अब यसमा सरकारको पनि कमजोरी छ र यो विकासकर्ता कम्पनीको पनि कमजोरी चाहिँ देख्छौं हामी। अब त्यसमा सहयोग गर्नका निम्ति स्थानीय पब्लिकको तर्फबाट हामीले प्रशस्त सहयोग गरेका छौं। यो आयोजना छिटो भन्दा छिटो बन्न पर्छ।
The investment board has stated that the Upper Karnali hydropower project, having secured financing, is expected to be completed within the next 6 years, provided there are no further obstacles.